Welcome to the CloudGarden family. We're thrilled to be part of your gardening journey. With our products, nurturing your plants is easier and more rewarding. Thank you for choosing CloudGarden. Let's grow together. Welcome to CloudGarden, where nature meets science. Today, we're introducing a game changer for your garden, CloudGarden Seaweed Extract Granules Fertilizer, your ultimate partner in gardening success. Made with 100% organic seaweed extracts, these granules are packed with essential nutrients and minerals that promote healthy plant growth, vibrant blooms, and strong roots. It's like giving your plants a spa day every day. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or even fruit trees, CloudGarden Seaweed Extract Granules are perfect for all types of plants. They enhance soil fertility, improve water retention, and boost plant immunity against stress and diseases. Experience faster germination, healthier growth, and abundant harvests. With consistent use, you'll notice stronger roots, greener leaves, and blossoms like never before. Using it is simple. Just sprinkle the granules evenly around the base of your plants and water them thoroughly. The slow-release formula works its magic over time, ensuring long-lasting nourishment. Give your garden the love it deserves with CloudGarden Seaweed Extract Granules. Organic, easy to use, and highly effective. It's the natural way to achieve a thriving garden. Order yours today on Amazon and start your journey to a healthier, greener garden with CloudGarden. We're excited to offer various sizes of our product to meet your needs. Choose from 380 grams pack of 1 for smaller garden needs, 875 grams pack of 1, ideal for moderate use, 1,350 grams pack of 1 for larger areas, 380 grams pack of 2 and 875 grams pack of 2 for added value. And for extensive gardening, we have a 5-kilogram bucket option. Thank you for choosing CloudGarden. We're grateful to support your love for gardening. Your trust in our products inspires us to keep bringing the best for your plants. Happy gardening from the CloudGarden family.